In this video, I want to talk about how you can add the Judge Me widget to your Shopify store. Now this is really simple, guys. You want to go to your admin dashboard, so admin.shopify.com, select the store that you want to add it to, and since I only have one store, it will just be the default one. Click on the Add Apps. If you don't see these, you can open up the settings and there will be an apps in there, but just click on Add Apps, you should be able to see this. Once you click on there, for most people it would already pop up here, so you can just download it straight from here. But if you don't see it in here, you can go to Shopify App Store. This will open up the App Store, and from in here you just want to search for judge.me. In here you can press install, and keep in mind installing it is completely free and they have a free plan available that you can use. So install that one, come back here, reload your page, and it should now appear here on the left side. Then you can click on it and you can change the settings if you want to, and you can mess around with it from in there. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.